Hello, welcome to our phonics work for day one. And we're going to look at the high frequency word list that we used last week, right? And we're going to practice the words in the same way, okay, where we say the word, we spell the word, we read it, write it, and then practice it in a sentence. Okay, so all of these directions I'll put in Schoology to remind you of the routine. And remember, we're working off this list. These are high frequency words, words that you see in your reading all of the time. And we don't want to spend time sounding out these words. We want them to be quick. As soon as you see these words, you know what they are. And last week, we focused on the first 5 words. Now this week, I'm going to add in 5 more words. All right, so the first 10 words on this list will be in Schoology, so you can take a look at that. But we have about, after, again, all, also, always, am, and, another, any. All right, so words that we see in our reading all of the time, and also words that we write all of the time. So not only do we want to be able to read them quickly, but we also want to make sure that our spelling is correct. Okay, so look for the routine in Schoology and the word list, and your job is to practice that today. All right, thank you for your hard work. We'll see you soon.